Hi guys! For today's video, sagutin natin yung nag-comment sa ating comment section regarding CBank. At ang comment ni Madam Lynn, how much po yung card and how long po before need i-renew? Can I withdraw in an ATM machine using CBank debit card po? Sorry po, madaming tanong and thank you. It's okay, madam. Mas maganda po yung nagtatanong so that we are guided po. Okay, sagutin natin yung tanong ni Madam Lynn. How much na po yung card ni CBank? It costs 160 pesos po as of recording this video. And how long po before need i-renew? After 6 years po. So, ang tagal nun, yung validity niya 6 years. And then, can I withdraw in any ATM machine? Hindi po basta-basta, madam. Okay, makinig po kayo sa akin. Makaka-withdraw po kayo ng inyong CBank debit card using BDO, Metrobank, PS Bank, BPI, RCBC, HSBC, GoTime, and Euronet. As of recording this video, yan po yung mga machines or ATM machines na pwede po kayong mag-withdraw using CBank debit card. At kung wala pa po kayong CBank debit card, pwede nyo po siyang i-download via Play Store or App Store and use my referral code MARGE26 to get 75 pesos higher than regular CBank referral code. Bakit po nangyari yon? It's because we have collaboration and partnership with CBank. Kaya mas mataas po yung referral code ko. O diba, not bad to start 75 pesos as your starting savings kay CBank. O diba, download now today and start saving with CBank. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.